What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? So I've been wanting a monitor for a long time. So today I have the VILTROX DC550 5.5 inch screen. It's supposed to be 4K. And let's unbox it. It's kind of tough. Alright, there we go. See them. Got some tape. Okay. Do I got anything to cut the tape? Fingers. They always work. Alright. Oh, okay. And it comes in a bag. Alright, so I can push this aside. It's like a, I don't want to say a rubbery feel. It's pretty good. Kind of like a GoPro case, except without that little mesh stuff on top of it. Okay, open it up. I don't read this stuff, but I probably will eventually, since I never had a monitor before. What is this? Okay, this is for the cold shoe mounts. Okay, cold shoe mount. This is obviously, this thing here is the battery, and that's why I chose this one, because it has a battery. I don't have to go shopping for one. It charges with the USB-C right there. USB-C. Okay, so we got the battery. Move these things off the side. And here we have the actual monitor. Tape stuff on the back. Okay, there we go. Packets. Oh, okay. The hood's, the lens, the cover is part of it. Oh, it's a little snap. How is this? Okay, yeah, it snaps off. Snaps open. Or does it open the other way? Open. Open. Open, open. I don't want to break it on the day one. Oh, okay, there we go. Ooh, okay. It snaps out. There you go. Alright. Okay, push in. Snaps back down. Okay. I wonder if this is charged already. I doubt it. Okay. So let's try it again. Press the button. Okay, let's press the button. And open. And where's the power button? Oh, okay. Off and on. And apparently, oh, it does have life. Okay, and HDMI. That's what it says in the corner, HDMI. Alright, cool, so it does come with life. And something in Chinese. Okay, while that loads up, let's see what else we have in this little bag over here. Okay, so here we have the HDMI cable. We have an HDMI to I want to say a micro HDMI, and a USB-C charging cable. Alright, so let me see if I can plug it into a camera and see what we can get. Okay, so there we go. Now it's on. Put the HDMI in over here, HDMI over here. It matches. Once you turn on the switch over here, you use this little dial to control things. It's still in Chinese, so I have to read the manual. Like I said, I probably would have to. So I have to read the manual and figure out how to get it to English. But you see all the settings are there. And you could put over here, you put an SD card. Oh, open up. You can put an SD card here if you want to do a screen recording. And then you have your various function buttons here. And this one, I guess, is to go back. Here, if you want to put in a DC power, or USB-C power. I think they said if you use a USB-C power, it will not charge the battery. It's just gonna give power to this. Alright, so yeah, this is the VILTROX DC550, and it's a monitor, 4K, and it's under $200, so I'm gonna use it. Alright, Brooklyn Salute, I'm out.